I see a crab.
Yeah.
Can anyone else see a crab?
No.
Your dad to pick him up? I can see the crab. Where's the crab?
Oh, I can't see it.
I can see a fire.
He's maroon and white.
Yeah, and I can see.
Oh, yep, I see him.
What do you want to call him?
Crabby.
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 I was about to say, I bet she goes crabby. Ready? There goes. You feel that?
I see that on my face.
You felt that on your face?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to see another one?
Yeah.
Here it comes. There it is.
Oh,
Did you feel that one again?
now I feel my leg
You
now.
felt that one on your leg. I know, look at all the different colours on them.
Yeah. Look, that little water coming. This little hole.
That's got a little hole, yeah. Very pretty, isn't it?
It's going to.
How's that for a view?
Okay.
Thank you.
For our one beach day. How's that? Getting a beach to ourselves in the Bay of Fires. Okay, so as much as we said this was a great spot, it is raining. It isn't cold, it's just rain. Was that good? run it. Go, go, go. It's going to rain. Let's go. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Good girl. Keep going, keep going, keep going. From the dairy cafe. What?
Mom, I'm putting mine.
It looks yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to put mine here.
You gonna put your new cow down there?
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
the cow called?
Devonshire tea. It's gone. Oh my god, that's so good. Yours good? Yours good? To see what?
The cow.
The cows.
It smells a bit bad.
You can just stand over here. It smells like cows.
It smells bad.
Like a cow. Relish and some chocolate on the
Place of the trip.
And you get a semi-purple ice cream, don't you? How about you? What did you get? Chocolate.
Chocolate and lavender.
Can I have a try of it?
And try sisters.
And try sisters. Okay, chocolate.
Bee or ant.
You got stung by a bee or ant, you think? It was a lot painful, wasn't it? And you didn't get to enjoy the purple. That's alright. You had a purple blueberry ice cream, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hi! Look at you. You all warm now? Yeah?
Come on, Dad did it. Dad will back up.
Mommy, call it out to me. So look
Come and get you.
Call it out to me.
I've twice seen I've now seen a bumblebee. Somebody hurt themselves, didn't you, in the beer garden? That's okay. What do we got? That's going to make us feel better? Pizza. What'd you say?
Pizza.
What's so good about it?
Huh?
Did you say the cheese was so good?
Yeah.
Oh.
The cinnamon that good.
How about you?
My pizza's yummy, yummy.
In your tummy tummy? The James Boags walnut tree. outside your window? Is that a little wallaby? Okay. Going to try and sneak a little video of this wallaby that's made itself at home next to the girl's bedroom window. So let's have a look. There it is. I feel it. Like a little bunny rabbit, but they're wallabies. They're all over this place.
Now you got to steer two hands, or you're changing gears.
Smile.
My turn.
What flavour do you have?
Strawberry. I got strawberry. And I got raspberry.
This way?
Yeah.
Let's see. Come on. Let's go first so I can see.
I'm going
Who's coming out of the magic portal? Oh, it's Evelyn. Who's coming out of the magic portal? Hey. Is it?
I do want. Well, what is that?
It's a watermill.
I'm not going to spin the wheel. I'm not going to spin the wheel because I'll crash the monster. No! The monster's crashed! Yay! The monster's in! The monster's in! Help me! Help me!
Oh, Mummy's just taking a video.
It's just a video monster! I'm going to get you! Nice!
What do
We're going to the other pool, Dad! We're going to Daddy!
Anyway, what do you think? Is this cool having this swimming pool here?
I'm going to do monkey bars on here.
Okay. You breathed underwater, did you? Is this a pretty view? Are we going for a walk on that bridge tomorrow? Yeah. Come on, we've got people behind us too, so just go slowly, but just... Keep going, girls. Eating dinner with a view?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's so yummy.
So yummy, is it?
Hi guys, I'm hungry and I have a lot of food and it's really good and I'm enjoying it.
Really?
And happy birthday for Mum's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, thank you.
I'm done.
Slushy!
Pavlova and an Amber's chocolate tart.
Drink it. I'm going to take it. Drink it now, I'll take it.
A bit windy. You want to go inside? Yeah, I want to go inside. Okay.
Yeah, but imagine in our dreams,
Let's not do
fall
that.
in the water.
Let's not do that.
I'm bad again.
Similar.
Where's the bathroom?
Bathroom's in there.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Coming in, this is how big it is. So, ladders are there. Window. Toilet. Cabinets.
Yeah, I don't hear. Hello guys, we're in a boat and we're going to our real home. And tomorrow we're going to be at Nanny Pass.
Yeah,
Nanny
you're gonna go to
Pass. And it's Mum's birthday. Oh yeah. And Mum's birthday today. And I'm up the bed and Sister's really upset.
So that's my birthday present to myself. Going on a boat that I'm scared of. Yay.
Oh, look at Mama.